eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Well, yo. Yo. Well, yo. 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 Well, yo. Yo. Kichwa njicho wacha mambo yako bwana. Najma. Oa. Oa Najma. 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 Oa. Usiniambie kama umekufa geto wewe. Acha michezo yenu ya kufia geto wewe. Najma. 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 Najma.
Na huko ndio mwancho murigirira Getembe TV andonsia sore omugaso wono ekero charagire Chinsa Isano ona Ibere ase orugongo rwa Afrika ya mocha ekero turache gusanga naye egati yari agendete wateka koro ase Chinsemo anemono koro igase orugongo rwa gusinkoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa tukubwaterana nere vene nyaboke koro asomono we manyerero na boigo havila akariri kwene kiachivicha neriogi ya wikire ase njira iri enyikirano kigima ase tukeriga ria Jumatano yeche tariki 15 nemo nigo Ekeonga Chinsa Isano neve tochaka korwa ase ebunge ya Kitutu chache South aiga ase county ya Kisii ekirobono omojumbe we Chinsemecho omoske Antone Ekibakendi anyare kubwatoka ebimeri bya avocado kochasi abalemi au ase chiwodi chionsi Isano cha Kitutu chache South omosike Kibakendi kaukwana ebirebyo nigo anyara kwerabuna ekemeri kya avocado anamono eri manyakanete buna as nigo yatokire nero ere eye kosenero eganeirie ase echiro nabo iganekiranyare kuboria abarimi bonsi banyare kwenekia bayesimikire ase obunge nekiro anyare kwegera ekemeri kyo kagoteba has variety nigo ekoirari bagarike nabo igo chingaki chinke ekero ekwama
Tino mheshimiwa Antony Kibagendi mujumbo bogetutu chache South rero enachire igaiga obisi ito ye constituency amo naba teneneribe chi location chi sub location na chi division chetu nori ore acting DCC na otore na buga etwachire ko release emete ya avocado ebi meri ya avocado inye ko kuna hasa avocado ya tenenkiria abantu all over the country na into tokarengere rirende toteme tokonya abantu baitu banyare konyora these seedlings chinyare ko bakonya. As we speak rero we are releasing about 10,000 seedlings. Before last year sometime in April narontu arwete close to 6,000 seedlings igontogendrete gusuguma erinde in another 2 years tonyore tu arure a total of at least 25 to 30,000 seedlings abantu baitu banyare gusimeka this has avocado mumanyete nere export quality eko nyara koba for long ya tumuguchi Chinsa cheisiko gochi America gochi China gochi England erinde enyare ko abantu baitebese era nyare ko bakonya basomeria bana na ende banyare kugenderio babo etogotebia our administrative officers DCC ACCs our chief assistant chiefs, my office the constituency office, our CDF office, my coordinators for ensuring that this exercise here we truly appreciate the effort that has been put in. We also want to appreciate the Ministry of Agriculture in Nairobi that we are working on this project together. And it is a project that I have tried to push in the entire county. Na Nyora, a lot of seedlings, Ngatome Chindegochi, other sub-counties. And then today we are doing the launch here in our sub-county. So we appreciate even the effort of the media, Kanyago Somia Bantubaito, that these seedlings will indeed transform lives. And we are telling Abantubaito Iga, if you are able to afford at least 1 or 2 or 3 other seedlings, tema bwegolere elindo nyare kogendererie biasara ebi yakonyira abantu baitu kuna abantu kuru Mount Kenya province. They are doing very well in the issue of amanganaya has avocado nyare kubatenenkia, and I believe we will get there. Ena chagete program we asengencho emegondo ya ito kitu cha South Nemeke. So oyonomote urabeka sekona ye compound yao usotu alemete Ibere tatu, because 1 tree ekerea very mature na bego kwa up to 14,000 shillings a year. So if you have 10, that's 140,000 shillings a year from this particular breed of avocado. So we appreciate ntogendreko kore egasiye
Mwancho murigere ase chinga kechecho niko bono bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ya nyara kwenyorera na ndichi location echinya ekero omojumbe bwechinsemecho musike kibagendi anyara kurare buna abagambia baya bali banyare goso abisi babonete konyora okoigeria amahariganyo na boigo amaigeria amaya kurase abagambi bali babeire ase birogo ase amatuka mange nekeratebire ikione gitambukiro gyo kwanakya buna oborendi banyare gutingiwa ase chinsemecho na boigo abamenye ba Kitutu Chache South benyorere uburai ibole obia.
Few new administrative units, especially in vast locations and sub-locations kama zingine ziko pale Bogusero, hapa town kidogo, Nyakoe, pande ya Nyatieko kwanza tunaenda kupata a new location and a sub-location, na pia niliona barua ambayo imeandikwa na ofisi uzuri inakuja ku reinforce what I had already requested. Mugambi Simon, karibu sana and congratulations. Yes, sasa ni chief, full chief. Sasa tusaidie kuchunga area ile. Iko maneno na bwana ACC na DCC active. Ninaomba mshike hawa mandugu zetu muoneshe kazi. Kwanza wale wamekomaa kwa hii kiti. Kina Lawrence Magaki, shika hawa kina Vincent mkono. Waoneshe kazi, napigiwa masimu mingi, shida hivi. Ina emanate from them, ninaomba. Sababu hatutaki kupitana nao kwa vinyoro hapa. Washike mkono, mnyoroshe, si huyu amekoma. Huyu akochonjo. Mimi nasema hawa wageni. Yeah, karibu kitu. Wasaidie, waweze kujua vile kazi inafanya.
mwancho morigereria gutigana nayo umwaziri utenenete echipara na boigo obosombi omoske Davis Chirchir nigo mugasorero anyarire kuruka obosio bwe bunge ye senete na boigo nigo anyarire kwerera ninki gosigatie bitambukiro biria ekiombe gia Kenya National Highways Authority gosekena kiaberige kwimukia erinde kwene kiabuna oborendi bwa para bwanyarire gutingiwa kagukona kora ase senate nigo anyara kwerera buna nigo oborendi bwa butuko gosechi patrol chigokora ekero asekero ere kwene kia amachiko apara anyarire kubwatigwa na boigo abakenya bonsi bari bagutumika chipara ase obosombi banyarire konyora oborendi buri bwenerete kurinde nigaegereire egetambukiro gia serikali kwene kia buna nigo patrol ogokorwa nechigari chitari echi serikali gosechi tari ekiombe kyo gia Kenya korene nigatebire na chikorigia amachibu kubwatekana na mabori ayo abaseneta babere bagotwara ase chipare kyo chigokora chi patrol.
The arrangements, honorable members, Speaker, ensures efficient maintenance while enhancing overall road safety. And on the patrol vehicles that are owned, the patrol vehicles are owned by performance-based contractors who are basically assigned the contracts on the performance-based contracts in terms of maintenance contractors who are competitively procured in compliance with the Public Procurement and Assets Disposal Act 2015 through the open tender method. To the extent of the Kenya staff inspecting the road and using their vehicle, that is an area where we need to get clarity, because Honorable Nyoto then would have a point to the extent that, yes, we should be inspecting the roads using Kenya vehicles, and yes, we have Kenya vehicles to maintain the roads, or to inspect the roads for that matter. And therefore, I can take up that to make sure there is clarity between periodic maintenance, which is a contract given out to a private contractor to maintain the road, and when it is the aspect of inspecting the road by Kenya staff, we'll then make sure we pay attention and confirm the concern raised by Senator Nyoto. But to the extent of supervising and inspecting the works on the various roads, the Kenya staff does not in any way come in contact with the road users to the extent of really wanting to be discreet, because they would just be inspecting the works done by the periodic maintenance contractor. So if there has been a case where our staff in Kenya are not properly facilitated with their vehicles, that is a case which I said I will take it up, but it shouldn't really be a problem inspecting roads using Kenya's assets or using Kenya's vehicles, and I undertake to follow up that.
Nakoro ase wizara ya mache ni gobono mwaziri wensemeyo Eric Muriithi anyare kwerabuna serikali terekerania ukwagacho wechindani wetania eriwemo hizyo anyare tekoba gekoria eira ekero o yaringe guswa abisiga kwerera ubusyo bwa senate ni ganyarire goteba nigo chindani chichitaragacho kyagera nigo chibesa chitsaisaini chigoswa ase wizara yo.
Honorable Speaker, I have to be very candid with yourself and also the House, because water infrastructure is not cheap. It is capital intensive. And when we talk about 1,000 large dams, most of them were scheduled to be implemented under public-private partnerships. And public-private partnerships means a proponent has to invest their money and recoup that money in a stipulated duration of time. Unfortunately, investments in water have not been very lucrative in public-private partnerships because our tariffs are not cost recovery. We have some ongoing, Honorable Speaker, especially the large dams. We have Mwache ongoing, we have Dhuake ongoing, we have Uma ongoing, and these are some of them are suffering from financial challenges. So the answer to that is, for large dams, we have not completed any of them. Small dams, I can provide a list, Honorable Speaker, so that I give a conclusive answer. Yes.
Ase oroboti oru mwanjo murigere no tugukorera Ekeonga Chinsa Isano ona Ibere mbia muno kigima ikiagira ogendete gutigara ime ya Getembe TV chingaki chonsi nase kere obosio nigo orachi komonyora DJ Reels nere Niki ase umurobere of vibes on vibes inchingurwa Matildah Obaigwa kenda gutigara ime ya Getembe TV chingaki chonsi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche merongibere na Isano na Isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green obutambe gwe mabwati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwati bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na buigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom buigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Silva Care ni nyagitari yekerero asumu cyubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kuro busungu guche Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashine chekerero abwasibwa tabanyagitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbabwate inpatient osechi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koirana gochianka mbabwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashine chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chenu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoro iga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukuringoria nobuwenia bwa maisa gose optical department abase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimoshen ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy gose duka ya mariogo yebwate ama riogo onsipi aliuraganirigwe goetania onsi liguririabo ne nelianze pi ngwanchira bale umuroberio osha usibali bwate umuroberio osha nabo gonkurike bale umuroberio osha utarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange ba kresimia se namba 0799747414 Silvercare Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono. Asegeka ke miaka 49